Most electricians still sketch one-line diagrams by hand. It's slow, looks messy, and often doesn't cut it for permits or proposals. Kopperfield changes that with simple, fast, and professional line diagrams. With just a few clicks, you can create single line diagrams, generate site plans, and mark up documents so you're ready for any project, permit, or proposal without the headache. Today I'll show you how it works so you can see why so many pros are switching to Kopperfield. Let's start by opening the Single Line Diagram tab in my Kopperfield account. Click New, and you'll see a library of templates. You can choose from system defaults or your own custom templates if you've set them up. You can also sort by project type to quickly find what you need. For this video, we'll use one of Kopperfield's existing residential EV charger templates. Once we're inside the tool, we have a variety of options for navigating the workspace. From the top menu bar, we can control your view of the diagram by zooming in and out and adding rulers for more precise spacing. Let's say we want to update this diagram to include a DCC12 load manager. To do this, we'll start by adding a new component. Over on the left of our screen is the symbol library. To find a symbol, like a load manager, we can either browse by category or search directly. When you find the one you want, just drag it onto the canvas. If you need a generic placeholder, you can also add a blank shape from the top menu. Let's drop in a rectangle to symbolize this project's existing transformers. We'll place it over here. Now we want to label the box to say Current Transformers. Editing text is simple. Double-click to type, then use the right-hand menu to adjust styling. You can bold labels, change colors, or resize text for readability. We'll also go ahead and relabel this box from 50 amps to 60 amps and add in some bolding to make it stand out. We'll do the same for the label on the electrical panel. Next, let's connect our components together. Select the connector tool from the top menu, drag from one item to another, and the line snaps into place. You can also add arrows or add in other line styles as needed. With the Single Line Diagram tool, you can also upload images. For example, let's drop in a photo of the project site. Just click the plus icon, select Add Image, and upload or drag from your computer. This works well for markups if you have scanned drawings saved as images. Many diagrams require tables. You can either pull in a pre-built table from the symbol library or create a custom one. For this project, we may want to add in a wiring table. Let's start by adding that in from the symbol library. Just like with the shapes before, I can size this however I please. And like the text, I can also click on a cell to edit the content or add new labels. You'll also see that a new panel opens on the right-hand side where I can further stylize the table and change colors as I desire. If you want further options, you can also insert a custom table. Select the table icon from the top menu and choose your rows and columns to insert this into your diagram. If you need to sketch something quickly, try the freehand tool. It lets you mark up or draw directly on your diagram. We'll do that now to call out where the EV charger goes for this project. Made a mistake? No problem. Just undo, redo, or delete with a click. Layer controls are also available so you can move elements forward or backwards. For example, placing an image behind your diagram for additional clarity. Any shape can be customized. Select an object, and the right-hand menu gives you options to change fill colors, line styles, shadows, and more. Let's adjust this panel box to make it stand out from the rest of the diagram. We have a few additional options to make it easy to manage your diagram in Kopperfield. When you're ready to save, head to the green button on the top right of the screen. From here, you can select the drop-down to save your document, rename your diagram, save it as a template, or archive it. When you select the button to save and view, you can also see a preview of the professional permit-ready output. This also provides additional options to share the diagram via email or invite a team member to edit, download the diagram as a PDF, or print right from the window. All of the features I've shown so far are included in our base plan. If your shop wants to save time by creating custom templates or your own symbols, those features are also available in our Pro plans. This is especially useful for businesses that are handling repetitive projects with similar layouts or using symbols that are not included in our standard library. You can access the customizations from the menu options under the Single Line Diagram section. Head to this area to create custom templates and symbols and view any existing customizations you've already saved for your team. Here we have a custom template already created for a residential EV charger install, but using a Tesla charger that's clearly shown within the diagram. This can save time for an electrician if they want to have a specific template handy to use for creating permits and proposals. Our Single Line Diagram tool is built to help you move fast, stay accurate, and generate diagrams that inspectors and customers can trust. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We love hearing from users and getting suggestions on how we can further improve our tools. Thanks for watching.